What's up guys, this is Tampatec and I'm going to show you two ways to connect this Google Hub to your Bluetooth wireless speaker or your phone. Really easy to do. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using the Ralio water resistant Bluetooth speaker, which is great because my Google Hub is not wireless. This is wireless and water resistant. So if you guys are interested in the Google Hub speaker or the Ralio water resistant speaker, check out the links in the video description below. So you want to enter settings, scroll down to the room that your Google Hub is located in, scroll down again to locate your Google Hub. Mine's called Office Hub, select that, and then scroll down to paired Bluetooth devices, click on that. Now I'm going to connect my phone to the Google Hub first, enable pairing mode. All right, it's in pairing mode. Next, I want to go and select my Bluetooth settings. And then you want to scroll down to the bottom. Here's Office Hub, select that. And now we're connected. All right, let's go back and there we go. My Galaxy S9 is connected. Google, connect to Bluetooth device.
Alright, looking for paired devices. Bluetooth is connected to Galaxy S9.
It's that easy. Alright, next, Google, disconnect Bluetooth device.
Okay, Bluetooth is disconnected.
Alright, the second way is to go into your Google Home app again. Click on settings, scroll down to Office. That's where my Google Hub is. And select Office Hub. And now I'm going to connect the speaker to the Google Hub. Select default music speaker. Pair Bluetooth speaker. There's a and you want to make sure it's in pairing mode. You just press and hold the multifunction button to enter pairing mode. Of course, the speaker has to be turned on. You want to go ahead and select Ralio M91. That's the model. All right, there's the chime. It's connected, and select done. Google, play music.
Okay, music on Google Play Music. Here you go.
There we go. Now, if you hold the top button, it'll skip forward to the next track, and then keep on tapping, and it'll raise the volume. There we go. If you're looking for a great speaker that's an outdoor speaker for your pool or going to the beach, check out the Ralio speaker in the video description below. Of course, the Google Hub speaker, that link is going to be in the video description below as well. If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. And if you want more how-to videos like this coming your way, subscribe and click on that bell notification to stay updated on the latest videos. And if you know anyone that may be interested in this video, of course, click on the share button and share this video to them, help someone out. Later, guys.